10 signs of fibromyalgia to never ignore. If you're not sure if you have fibromyalgia, watch this video. Here are 10 telltale signs of chronic pain that can be a sign of an underlying condition. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 signs of fibromyalgia to never ignore, in just a few minutes. Fibromyalgia is a long-lasting condition best known for causing widespread muscle pain or weakness throughout the body. It also causes other issues, including fatigue and cognitive problems, amongst many other symptoms. The signs of fibromyalgia interfere with your ability to function at work or home, and it's often a misunderstood issue. Research shows that women are more likely to suffer from this condition than men, but it can happen to men. Most patients become diagnosed between 35 and 45, although signs of fibromyalgia start much sooner. The signs of fibromyalgia often begin after physical trauma, infection, surgery, psychological stress, or another significant event. There isn't a cure for the condition, but you can work with a professional to control your symptoms. Stress management, relaxation, and exercise are all helpful ways to lessen the pain. If you experience any of these signs of fibromyalgia, consider reaching out to a medical professional for an official diagnosis. You don't have to let the symptoms control your life, as there are ways to manage them. 1. Pain. This condition causes constant dull pain that feels like it's starting in your muscles. Professional testing will show no damage to the tissues despite the never-ending pain. People with this condition are often more sensitive to pain, experiencing a painful sensation when most people would feel mild discomfort. The pain acts as an aching, burning, or throbbing feeling. It is commonly felt in the following body parts: legs, chest, arms, head, buttocks, back, abdomen. The pain from this condition will be intense and constant. Sometimes it'll be severe enough to stop you from going to work or living a social life. Many people diagnosed report experiencing pain most or all days of their lives. 2. Migraine attacks or tension headaches. Research shows that more than half of the people with fibromyalgia experience migraine attacks or tension headaches. When you have a migraine, your head will throb, and you might experience nausea and vomiting. Migraines might also cause light and sound sensitivity, making you want to lie in a dark room. These headaches can occur from painful muscles in your head, neck, or shoulders. 3. Unexplainable tiredness and fatigue. Being extremely tired even after you get rest is one of the signs of fibromyalgia that you should never ignore. You might wake up tired, even if you went to sleep at a decent time the night before. Additionally, you might have trouble falling or staying asleep because the pain disrupts your sleep cycle. When you fall asleep, you will experience less REM sleep, which is the stage of body restoration. Sometimes you'll also develop sleep disorders such as sleep apnea. Fatigue is one of the most difficult symptoms to deal with because it significantly impacts your life. Experts explain that it affects more than 90% of people diagnosed with fibromyalgia. You'll lack energy, have decreased endurance, and your exhaustion will be draining and debilitating. 4. Brain fog aka fibro fog. Sometimes referred to as fibro fog, this symptom describes cognitive issues that can occur with the condition. Not everyone develops brain fog, but many report the struggle. If you have fibro fog, you might struggle with focusing your attention. It leads to distraction, forgetting or losing things, and not keeping up with conversations. You might feel like you can't clear your head, leading to confusion and concentration issues. 5. Mental health issues. This condition leads to mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and mood problems. Because it causes constant pain, it affects the central nervous system. With that area being affected, depression and intense emotional symptoms are common. If you aren't getting enough sleep or feel tired even after resting, it'll only contribute to mental health issues. It can make you irritable, quickly leading to unpredictable moods. 6. Restless leg syndrome. Many of those diagnosed with this condition experience restless leg syndrome. It is an uncomfortable feeling that feels like a crawling feeling in your legs at night. When you feel the sensation, you'll want to keep moving your legs, preventing yourself from getting good sleep. It can sometimes wake you up, further hindering your sleep cycle. 7. Sensory sensitivity. If you often experience sensory overload, it could be one of the signs of fibromyalgia. Research shows that it causes uncomfortable or painful feelings that other people don't feel. This situation occurs because your brain processes the sensations differently. The sensitivity might occur from touch or pressure, loud sounds, temperature. 8. Irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is a gastrointestinal disorder that causes digestive discomfort. Research shows that between 40 and 70% of people with fibromyalgia have also been diagnosed with IBS. These conditions are similar because they cause your brain to be hypersensitive to stimuli. IBS affects your large intestine and can cause abdominal pain, nausea, bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. 9. Rash or itchy skin. This condition sometimes causes a rash or itching. There aren't many outward signs, so this is one of the visual ways you will know. It can cause dry skin and excess sweating, too. 10. Temporomandibular joint syndrome. Temporomandibular joint syndrome, or TMJ, causes pain near your jaw. As one of the signs of fibromyalgia, you don't want to ignore it. You might notice that your jaw makes a popping or snapping noise when you open or close it. If it gets bad enough, it could become hard to open your mouth fully to speak or chew. Additionally, TMJ can cause headaches and pain near your ears.